Hello friends, today I wanted to show you how to installation the dash cam to Corvette C8, Z06 or Stingray. I check a lot of videos in the YouTube, but unfortunately the installation is very dirty installation. I check most of the channels, but they mess up everything, that's why I just wanted to show you how to install the clean job without any spend a lot of time to installation by hard wire. Please enjoy the video. Okay friend, first of all you have to remove the roof to do easiest way to get more room, okay, for installation the dash cam. And after that you have to remove the waterfall, the top section, and charger this side because the fuse box in here, okay. And after that I'm gonna run the wires. I'm gonna remove this panel. I'm gonna run the wire from underneath of this panel, okay. Go here and tuck here, and behind the gasket, as you see behind the gasket you have to bring to here. Do you see you have gap? You have to tuck inside of this gap and run the wire, but just you have to find which fuse is for parking or which fuse constant electricity. I'm gonna show you step by step. Okay friends, I'll just remove the this panel, wireless charger and speaker. As you've seen, this is the wire. It's you have to push down this lock, okay. If you don't push down the lock, it's not getting loose. You have to release the lock, and after that you have to push that section and remove, okay. But top section, no, top section is too difficult. I mean, I tried in a few times, I couldn't remove that. And the fuse box in here, let me show you behind this, okay. Okay, this is the fuse box. I'm gonna remove the fuse box carpet, and I just remove the roof to get more room and get lighter to see everything, okay. And I'm gonna show you. Okay, I just removed the speaker. The top section is challenging, but anyway, now we reach to the fuse box. This is the fuse box. As you've seen, you have to push up, and this is the fuse box, okay. You have to find which one is the best for camera installation, dash cam installation. And after that I'm gonna run the wire. Probably I'm gonna remove this panel. If not, maybe I could tuck inside of the panel, and I'm gonna run the wire to here and here. This is the best clean job, I mean professional job. I'm gonna show you a step by step. Okay friend, I just added 2 fuses, okay. You need this kind of fuse, a small fuse, okay, because I didn't want to remove the OMF fuse to put my wire, okay. That's why I added 2 fuse. You have a lot of space. I mean, the design is great. You have power. Let me show you. Do you see? This is the battery. Should be power. Do you see? Have power. But this is not the battery. This is ACC. Do you see the label? ACC. ACC should not to be have power. If you have a power, no, it's not working the parking option. My recommendation for the safety, do not remove this kind of fuse. You can do it, but fortunately this fuse box is excellent fuse box. I mean, you have a lot of space to add the fuse. That's why you don't need to remove other fuses. Okay, I believe that everything is done as you've seen. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a wire. Okay, I'm gonna remove this, but I don't want to make any damage, because if you remove it a few times, getting loose, making noise. Okay, this is the clean job. I mean, if you think this is not your job, please don't do it. Just take to the shop and they're gonna charge you a lot for installation. But if you check any other channel, YouTube channel, they're gonna show you a stupid installation. I mean, 2 wires, visible wire from here, and mess up everything. Okay, don't watch other installation method. This is the best installation. I mean, factory installation. I'm gonna show you after I'm run the wire. I'm gonna show you. Never run the wire from here. If you run the wire from here, it's visible. Okay, it's not nice, it's not gorgeous. Okay, the best option, you have to run the wire from here underneath of the glue box, and you have to remove this panel, run the wire to here. After that, you have to run the wire from the underneath of the gasket. Whenever you bring to here, do you see you have a gap? Just a little bit move this one. Don't remove this panel. If you remove the A pillar, after that get loose, or probably you get crack. Don't remove this panel. Just tuck the wire inside. Okay, because usually all of my cars installation professionally. That's why I don't like to see bad installation or visible wires. No, these are is mess up your car, because you have great beautiful car. You don't need to do that. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna show you in the next video after installation. Also remember, if for example maybe you ask me how do I check with this one, you have to connect here. Do you see this is the seat screws? You look, this is the best way. Okay, maybe you have some screw section here, but this is not good. This is not work for you because have paint on it. That's why it's not connect very well. But that is the best way to connect the clips, and after that you can check the fuses. Okay, just please don't forget, this is the battery. Okay, as you see, this is the battery. You have to add the fuse. This is the ACC. Okay, this is the negative. Okay, remember, then you have to remove the screws. You have enough few screws in the body. I don't know how do I show you. It's dark a little bit, but do you see I connected to these screws underneath of the screws, and after that tight completely. Okay, look, it's not loose at all. It's completely great. Okay, now everything is done. This is the wire. As you see, I'm gonna installation the wire to here. I'm gonna remove the bottom section. You have cover here. Okay, I remove one of them in a few plastic screws, holder screws underneath. I have to remove the carpet in top section. Okay, that's all. And after that I'm gonna show you. Okay friends, I just run the wire in the fuse box and bring underneath of here. Do you see? It's very professional and clean job. Do you see? The wire goes here underneath of the carpet, and after that I remove from this side. Do you see the wire? Run the wire behind this cover. And bring here. As you see, this is the wire. Now I'm gonna run the wire underneath of this carpet, okay? Because usually I don't like to see any wire around here. I want clean job, the same as factory, but this is the factory job, okay? Just do that the same as my method. This is the best option. Okay friends, I'm done as you've seen. I can put inside, but just I didn't want to make damage to Alcantara. That's why it's not visible. But other than that, everything great. Vents underneath, and this is the dash cam, okay? Okay, as you see now is working. Okay?
Light view for your safe driving. Starting normal recording.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off. Oh my god. Now going to the parking mode.
My hotspot unavailable.
Okay, as you've seen, it takes time to go to the parking mode. After I lock the door, automatically it switch to the parking mode. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can comment below. Please like the video and channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.